Have you ever heard the phrase of making money while you sleep? I know, it sounds so cliche. But trust me, I've done it for me, and I'll show you how to do it too. My name is Mercedes Torres, I'm the Turnkey Girl, and I help busy professionals create passive income through real estate investing so they can retire even sooner. When I started on my real estate investing journey, I never imagined that infamous saying of earning money while you sleep was real. Until I started building my portfolio. I started with one property, one became two became four, and before I knew it, I was getting mailbox money. In today's world, it's now ACH transferred. But every 15th of the month, I randomly saw rents coming in, and I didn't even think about it. Well, I had created a system that worked on its own. I not only figured out how to buy properties, I figured out how to fix them up, place tenants, and have them work like clockwork. And guess what? You can do it too. I'm gonna share with you 4 tips on how to make that happen in your world. Tip number 1, focus on what you really want. Are you investing in real estate to create passive income to retire faster? Or are you trying to pay for your children's college tuition? Focus on what you really want and how you want it, because that will contribute to buying the right properties that are going to produce the outcome you're trying to achieve. So number 2, leverage as much as possible. What does that mean? Use other people's money, whether it's the bank's money, or perhaps your spouse's old 401k, or your grandfather's IRA. Partner with them so you can make cash flow for yourself and money for them too. Number 3, and possibly the most important, learn to manage your property management team. Whether you have 1 property or 3, oversee your property manager. At the end of the day, it's their responsibility to collect your rent, but it's your responsibility to see that your rent is actually hitting your bank account. Tip number 4, get on my podcast. I share all of my secrets on how I've created my real estate portfolio, and I help tons of people just like you do the same for your life. Tune in to Turnkey Tuesdays on the Epic Real Estate Investing Podcast. Catch you on the inside.